Good morning, students. Today, we shall see the next element under psychology, wherein we were going to discuss about the concept of attention today, which is again a very important element that we need to focus. In everyone's life, this part of the element is going to play important. So we need to concentrate on this. If you have to understand and if you have to move further as per understanding of this element is considered. So in this aspect, what all we are going to learn that let us try to see, because once we come to know what we are going to learn at the initial stage, that is somewhat helpful for you people to that understand what actually the teacher is teaching. So under the concept of attention, we are going to learn about what is attention, along with its some of the available definitions given by experts or education psychologists. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಧಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We need to pay attention for every work that we are doing intentionally, directly or indirectly. So if we lose our attention, what all the aspects that going to meet by every one of us in the different conditions of the circumstances that we shall see. So what are the types of attention we need to understand? What are the determinants which influence on attention? Also we'll see, and later we shall see about the duration and degree alterations. And the duration of attention and degree of attention, based on the nature of the attention, they are actually considered or called in the different perspectives, like division of attention and span of attention. And what we need to do if we alter, if we wish to reshape the attention elements, what are the things that can be done. So these are the elements which are actually there for the syllabus of both the courses. So we shall see about the attention, meaning, definitions, types, determinants, duration and degree of attention, as well as alterations in the form of attention. First, let us see. So this is unit number 3. Somebody asked, this is unit number 3. Yes, let us try to understand the concepts now. I think you are all familiar with the concept of attention in a day-to-day life in a general sense, which is somewhat play an important role. Whether in what type of attention we don't know, but some attention plays an important role. As well as everyone's life is considered. So attention, if we start describing the element, what actually it is called as, it is the focus of attention is the focus of consciousness on a particular object or idea at a particular time to the exclusion of other objects or ideas. As per the basic terminology is considered, it is nothing but concentrating one's conscious part on a particular object or a particular idea, that too for a particular period of time. ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕರಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅವಧಾನ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. It is the focus of our conscious part, the conscious part of our mind on a particular object. If I am talking about a glass, or if I'm talking about a cell phone, so for a moment I am concentrating my views, my thought, my conscious element towards that phone or a laptop or glass. So this particular element is to be known as attention. It is the focus of conscious on a particular object or on a particular idea, that too for a particular period of time, to the exclusion of other objects or ideas. Though we have number of options available in front of us, say for example right now I have laptop in front of me, mobile phone, mouse, paper, glass, earphone, okay, pen, books, okay, even other elements which I can see in the on the table. But my right now my attention is on laptop, so that I can directly communicate with you, isn't it? If I start looking at this direction and if I start teaching, there will be no impact. So I need to focus my mind consciously on a particular object. So right now my consciousness towards is looking at the camera as well as to the slides that I am presenting. so that there will be a direct link between me and you, so that that will helpful for you people to understand, and even it is helpful for me to teach. So whenever we used to focus our conscious part of our mind towards a object or towards a subject or towards any idea, that too for a particular period of time, that is what attention is. So while writing an examination, consciously we apply our idea to write the answer for the question. So for that point of view, their attention is towards writing the answers. So like that, we can understand the concept of attention, basic terminology. When you go through the some of the available definition, what actually it is defined as, in what manner attention is defined as. Attention is defined as a process which compels the individual to select a particular stimulus according to his or her interest and attitude out of the multiple stimuli of the environment, which was given by Sharma in the year 1967. R.N. Sharma has given what actually attention is. According to him, it is the process which compels, which is the combination of the individual to select a particular stimulus according to his interest. So whatever I feel, see, we used to go to market to buy something. Say for example, if my target is to buy a pen or a mobile, we definitely go to the mobile shop, isn't it? So we ask about the different models and we will ask about the price. So whatever the amount I used to have, or whatever the target is from my side as per the purchase of a mobile is considered, I will look the same items. He may show the shopkeeper may show the different varieties of mobile phones which are available on the same price, but still if we are focusing for some, say for example, in what area I am interested, whether I am focusing for camera, whether I am focusing for GB, whether I am focusing for the storage, whether I am focusing for other softwares. So based on my priorities, I would like to give the preferences for what I can say attention. Isn't it? One or another way, we used to focus our stimulus according to our own interest as well as attitude I used to have. So my interest may be different and your interest may be different. If two of us, say for example, two friends had been to a market to purchase something, the interest and attitude of those personalities may not remain same. So based on their stimuli, based on their interest, based on their attitude, they are going to purchase. So when you have multiple choices, when you have number of choices in the environment, out of the available choices, you are going to select one or you are going to pick one based on your interest as well as your attitude towards that object. So that is what attention is. And one more, we must remember is the element of which was given by Dumile in the 1938. Attention is nothing but it is the concentration of consciousness upon the one object rather than upon other. When you have number of objects, it is nothing but purposefully concentrating our thought process towards that object. That's it. In a very simple form, it is defined as attention according to Dumile. Attention is the concentration of consciousness upon one object rather upon another.